What's up and welcome back. So in the last video I put up, I shown you my basic Aries AI system that I was building. It wasn't any more than just a generic NLP with my, overhaul. Um, but in this video, I wanted to go over how I'm actually working on the actual long-term memory architecture. Um, it's basically working in a keyword basis right now. Things, I like, I love, I dislike, I hate, my favorites, this, and trying to pull that information into lists and actually be able to go back into previous conversation and see what might actually be in there. My code has went from around 200 lines of code to 916 lines of code. So it's added quite a bit. I've also added in your default, or being able to change from the default language on your PC to being able to use whatever you have already installed on this PC, be it be Windows, Linux, or Mac. So it's actually kind of nice on how that's going. I'm not 100% sure on the Mac and Linux side. I haven't tested those yet, but I have the Windows and it is working fully. I haven't been able to get into anything along the lines of, where'd it go? A machine learning algorithm to, so it can teach itself what to do. I am leaning towards the MemGPT to work on that. But again, I don't want to run too much on my imports on my, actual, let me see, my dependencies here, my core packages I have to install. I don't want to have to do too much because I don't want the end user to be bogged down by any type of system or system clutter, I guess you put it in the sense of it. I just want it to be able to be fully installed and done and update when you need. But other than that, I'm still only at my second stage in... Oh, I dropped my OneNote. My second stage in my list of what I'm trying to do. Right now, I'm still trying to train myself on how to get the memory architecture down right. So I'm actually using, I want to call it a test script, but it's a test set of information. So I just bomb the memory each time I go and continue on to the next iteration. So right now I'm at version 10, 1.1.10. So without further ado, let's show you what it will do. So as of right now, it's detecting, hardware. Right now, AMD is 1, Intel is 2, so it shows a 1, and it will pack that away in the script. And that actually will set the LLMA model that you download. Because AMD doesn't support the NVIDIA CUDA set. I forget how it actually put, so it has to download a different type of model, or at least it used to. This will actually do it for you, tell you, hey, it needs to do this one instead of that one because it's Intel versus AMD. Then it'll go through, install all of your actual software packages. The core packages need to be done. You can see here how it's already ran that software check. Everything's done on that. Now we're going to go through and pick a voice. I have 15 voices on my machine and I can use any one of them. I like the 0 one right now. It speaks probably the best. And here, let me turn down this audio capture because it was loud on the last video I tried to make and I don't want it to mess with you guys. So let's turn down about 75%. Well, let's do 80 just in case. So let's go here. Actually, we're going to go with 3.
Downloading local model for offline thinking.
All right, and right here, this is where it's going to go and download what I was talking about, the LLAMA 38B instruct Q4. So this is the GPT-4 all information, and yeah, it's your local setup. So I'm going to let that download. I'm going to pause the video here because it takes 4 or 5 minutes, at least on my system, to do it. So I'll be back.
Download complete. Before we begin, May I ask what is your full name?
Alright, from here it will do the whole name setup. First name, last name, all of that. If you want to put in, you can put in, Mr. last name. Like mine, I'll do, say, Mr. Brown.
And what would you like me to call you?
Let's do Josh.
Please wait while I initialize. Eris online and ready, Josh.
So she should be good to go. And this is where I like having this little text file. I can go through all the different commands. Right now, I'm not going to do all the time stuff, so I'll just kind of pick at it.
The current time is 1:50 p.m.
What date is it?
Today is Thursday, April 24th, 2025.
What day is it?
Today is Thursday, April 24th, 2025.
And now I can have it go through and update those packages, so I can have it rerun basically what this is running, but as an update. So let's say update.
Updating required system packages.
And you should see it, run through all of this here. And since we just installed them, they should be satisfied.
All packages updated.
Alright, so we're at that point now. Now let's go through and kind of ask it certain questions and things of that sort. Something I can do too. It's actually, I'm going to mess this up. I have fuzzy language. Let's see if it can differentiate those. Let's just start here. What are my name?
As an AI, I don't have access to your personal data unless you provide it. Therefore, I'm sorry but I don't know your name.
You do.
My name is Eris,
So that
your
works.
personal AI assistant. How may I assist you today?
Maybe I need to change it.
Eris stands for Artificially Enhanced Responsive Intelligence System. Your name is Mr. Brown, but I call you Josh.
So what is my name?
I'm not sure yet. You can tell me by saying something like, remember my favorite video game is Metal Gear Solid. Your name is Mr. Brown, but I call you Josh.
So I need to fix a little bit, but the direct question will work. All right. Let's add some nicknames, list all my nicknames, and remove my nickname.
I'll remember that. You can also go by Jizo. I'll remember
Jizzo
that.
Bizzo, that's my
You can
gamer
also
tag
go
name.
by JB.
Don't judge me.
I'll remember that. You can also go by Mr. Brown. I'll remember that. You can also go by J. I'll remember that. You can also go by Bro. JB is now your primary nickname. Sure, from now on, I will address you as Mr. Brown. I call you JB. I call you JB. These are the nicknames I have for you, JB, Josh, Jizo, Mr. Brown, J, Bro. Removed nickname J. All nicknames removed. Please add a new one.
All right, so it's there, and you see how it would change from what nicknames, my primary nickname and things of that sort. And then it went to Mr. Brown when I removed all nicknames, because that's the initial name that I gave it. So, Mr. Brown. It's working. Alright, now for more of the memory stuff. So now you can see here, with that, it is saved the voice and my full name. It had nicknames. I should have left that. Actually, here, let's do this. Let's go back to nicknames. Boop, boop, boop. We'll just do this.
I'll remember that. You can also go by Jizo. I'll remember that.
Alright.
You can also go by JB. I'll remember that. You can also go by Mr. Brown. I'll remember that. You can also go by J. I'll remember that. You can also go by Bro. JB is now your primary nickname.
Alright, so that's
Sure,
it. You can
from
see the
now on,
memory's working.
I will refer to you as Mr. Brown. I call you JB. I call you JB.
Oh, I didn't.
These are the
well,
nicknames I
whatever.
have for you, JB,
You'll see it work
Jizo,
through.
Mr. Brown, J, Bro. Removed nickname J. All nicknames removed. Please add a new one.
Alright, so you see how it just work through the memory. Let's go. That's all done. All right. Start with what I want it to say. Let's not go to, actually, let's go here.
Got it. I'll remember that your favorite color is a partially cloudy sunset. Got it. I'll remember that your birthday is March 10th, 1906. Got it. I'll remember that your favorite food is pizza. Got it. I'll remember your favorite anime is Bleach. Got it. I'll remember your favorite video game is the Metal Gear Solid series. Got it. I'll remember your favorite TV show is Supernatural. Got it.
So
I'll remember that you love pizza with pepperoni pineapple. Got it. I'll remember that you love and bacon on it.
There.
Got it. I'll remember that you like anime.
Fix it a little bit.
Got it. I'll remember that you love playing video games. Got it. I'll remember that you dislike traffic. Got it. I'll remember that you dislike waiting in lines. I remember that your favorite color is a partially cloudy sunset. I remember that your favorite food is pizza. Here's what I know. Favorite color is a partially cloudy sunset. Birthday is March 10th, 1906. Favorite food is pizza. Favorite anime is Bleach. Favorite video game is the Metal Gear Solid series. Favorite TV show is Supernatural. Here's what I know. Favorite color is a partially cloudy sunset. Birthday is March 10th, 1906. Favorite food is pizza. Favorite anime is Bleach. Favorite video game is the Metal Gear Solid series. Favorite TV show is Supernatural. I remember that your birthday is March 10th, 1906.
Alright, so that worked. Let's go through the rest. What do I love? What do I dislike? What games do I like? Summarize my preferences. Everything you know about my taste. List all preferences. Let's go to that right now. Do that.
Here's what I know. Food, pizza with pepperoni pineapple, general, and bacon on it. Games, playing video games. Here's what I know. Entertainment, anime. Your favorite video game is the Metal Gear Solid series. Here's what I know about your preferences. Favorites color, a partially cloudy sunset. Food, pizza, anime, Bleach, video game, the Metal Gear Solid series, TV show, Supernatural. Loves food, pizza with pepperoni pineapple, general, and bacon on it. Games, playing video games. Likes entertainment, anime. Dislikes general, traffic, waiting in lines. Here's what I know about your preferences. Favorites color, a partially cloudy sunset. Food, pizza, anime, Bleach, video game, the Metal Gear Solid series, TV show, Supernatural. Loves food, pizza with pepperoni pineapple, general, and bacon on it. Games, playing video games. Likes entertainment, anime. Dislikes general, traffic, waiting in lines. Here's what I know about your preferences. Favorites color, a partially cloudy sunset. Food, pizza, anime, Bleach, video game, the Metal Gear Solid series, TV show, Supernatural. Loves food, pizza with pepperoni pineapple, general, and bacon on it. Games, playing video games. Likes entertainment, anime. Dislikes general, traffic, waiting in lines.
Alright. So now this is where the memory starts getting out of whack because of, summarization, what have we talked today, things of that sort. So that's what I'm still working on with the long term. So let's do this.
I'm sorry for any confusion, but as an AI, I don't have a specific conversation history for today as our interaction just began.
So your favorite
You haven't
color,
shared anything with me today
birthday,
outside of the
favorite
details
food,
I was
favorite
instructed to
anime,
remember.
favorite video
Your
game,
favorite
and
color,
favorite TV
birthday,
show.
favorite food, favorite anime, favorite video game, and favorite TV show. I'm sorry, but I cannot provide a summary as this is our first interaction in this session.
And I'm still working on that because I keep deleting it.
Based on our previous interactions, here's what I remember about you. 1. Your favorite color is the hues in a partially cloudy sunset. 2. Your birthday is on March 10th, 1906.
Oh, it worded that great.
3. Your favorite food is pizza. 4. Your favorite anime is Bleach. 5. Your favorite video game is the Metal Gear Solid series. 6. Your favorite TV show is Supernatural. I remember that your favorite food is pizza. I remember that your birthday is March 10th, 1906. I remember that your favorite color is a partially cloudy sunset. I remember that your favorite anime is Bleach. Which part of my memory would you like me to clear? Are you sure you want to delete all memory? This cannot be undone. Y or N? Memory reset cancelled. Which part of my memory would you like me to clear? Are you sure you want to delete the entire conversation history? Y or N? Conversation log not cleared. Which part of my memory would you like me to clear? I didn't recognize that option. No memory was cleared. Which part of my memory would you like me to clear? Are you sure you want to delete all memory? This cannot be undone. Y or N?
So you can see all the memory wipe stuff is working as well. I did it to where either no or failed on each one. So here we go. Yes.
Conversation history has been cleared. All memory has been cleared. You can start fresh.
So memory has been cleared and conversation has been cleared. And this is literally what it looks like. Watch.
Hello.
So everything that's been
How can I
typed will
assist you
show
today?
with timestamp, the exact timestamp, what was said, and who in the role said it. Why isn't it not putting me in there? Oh, I gotta fix that. It used to show me because I want it to show who cleared the memory. Things of that sort. So I'm not sure why it's not doing that. That used to work. I'll fix that. But you get the gist. You get the gist of how it's going to be doing it. It'll do roll Aries or roll Mr. Brown. And whenever I get multiple users in here, it'll, whoever's using what and how, I'll have it timestamp that as well. Maybe in their own conversation log, maybe in, all in one. Probably in their own, but we'll go about it that way. So I think that's going to be pretty much it. There wasn't much more I wanted to show on this iteration. Once I get this kind of cemented in and everything running the way I want it to, that's when I'm going to start working with its own learning capabilities, and have it start reworking its own architecture of memory based off of what I have for it. So yeah, stand by and there will be more videos to come. I appreciate you guys watching. Take it easy. Peace out.